What if help could arrive before danger unfolds? When every second matters, technology becomes our strongest ally. Introducing 5G4LIVES, a project focused on smart, automated drones using 5G network, an AI video analysis to deliver critical, real-time intelligence, helping keep people safe in the waterside areas of Tīšezers and Vecāti Beach. This technology opens up new possibilities. Monitoring swimmers, detecting anyone leaving safe zones and instantly alerting lifeguards. Identifying objects and motorized vehicles, such as boats, jet skis and paddleboards, entering designated swimming areas where they could endanger people. Counting people on land and in water to give rescue services a clear picture of the situation and the resources needed. So, how does it work? Using LMT's 5G network, drones patrol the beach regularly or on demand. The drone operator can adjust the mission or take manual control through the same secure connection. At the LMT data center, AI analyzes the video in real time, spotting potential risks. When danger is detected, the Riga Municipal Police are alerted instantly, ready to respond without delay. Smart, fast, reliable. 5G4LIVES, ensuring safety when it's needed the most. Learn more at innovations.lmt.lv.